Today, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 received its first in-person glance, as well as the complete specifications, the pricing, and additional information on the S Pen. More dummy units have been leaked on /leaks, and they confirm everything we already knew. The Z Fold 5 is still remarkably similar to its predecessor. The only significant design differences are the new hinge that allows the phone to collapse completely flat and a minor adjustment to the camera module, where the LED flash has been moved to the top right of the module. Now that these dummy models have been developed, they are often highly accurate since they are based on the CAD data given to casemakers. We've also received a tweet from It's Nyang on Twitter, who has leaked some Fold 5 and some Flip 5 cases. As you can see from the photographs, this verifies the exact same design, therefore it's dependable. The Z Fold 5's S Pen cover has been upgraded, and according to Lika Ashan Agarwal, it is now thinner and includes a tiny hole for the S Pen to be inserted and removed with ease. The S Pen case is the ideal option for those of you who use it often since the Z Fold 5 itself does not include a slot for the S Pen. Thanks to Elite Newspaper, which provides us with the pricing for France, we have the regrettable news that the Z Fold 5 will cost more. According to the ad, it begins at €11.99, which is €100 more. We may anticipate a price hike of around £100 for the UK and $100 for the USA since pricing isn't quite identical across various areas. The primary details of the Z Fold 5 have now also been leaked by Amid Quadr. While many aspects of the phone are still similar to the predecessor, its biggest selling point is that it is 10 grams lighter. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 gives us performance improvements, but all of the other specifications are largely unchanged from the Fold 4's, including the battery and fast charging capabilities. Naturally, the battery capacity is same from the predecessor, but Ahmed claims that we will get up to 20 hours of movie playing and 72 hours of music playback, with the new processor providing improved performance. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.